Tuesday comes slowly, I feel a bit out of touch with all this daily heartache. It hurts me so much. I cannot help it if I'm hard to love. There's things about me that you don't know. I don't like acting tough. You can be serious and I can be mysterious, sharing my feelings every day, but you'll just smile at me and say, I love you, baby, and I love you, doll. Times they get tough, but my heart won't change at all. I love you, baby, and I love you, doll. Tuesday come gently, I feel a little blue. I used to shine deep bright red when I was with you, and everything changed, only I stayed the same. All my blue skies turned to gray and all my flowers turned away. You can be serious and I can be mysterious, share your